How to check your Wi-Fi password on a Windows 11 PC, step-by-step guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to IT Next channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your Wi-Fi password on a Windows 11 PC. Whether you've forgotten your password or need to share it with someone, this step-by-step guide will help you retrieve it quickly. Let's get started. First, right-click on Start and then select Run. Here type in ncpa.cpl. Click on OK. This will open up network connections. Here click on your Wi-Fi connected network. Double-click to open the properties. Click on Wireless Properties. Up here click on Security. Now under the Network Security key option, click on Show Characters to view the password. Done. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to IT Next channel for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.